Hi students, this video is about troubleshooting and technical issues. Now, technology problems happen. Computers crash, Wi-Fi drops, files corrupt, passwords break, software updates, always at the worst possible moment. But here's the key point for the course. Technical issues are real, and they are your responsibility to solve. This course is built around deadlines and submissions. If your tech fails and you do nothing until the deadline, the result is still a missed deadline. If the technology fails on my end, I will fix it or I will extend deadlines to give you more time. So I'm going to show you exactly what to do when something breaks and how to protect yourself from preventable problems. First, a very clear boundary. I cannot provide technical support for your personal devices. That includes everything from installing software, diagnosing your computer, fixing your internet issues, troubleshooting your operating system, or walking you through device-specific errors. This is not me refusing to help. It's simply not my role. And there are legal and practical restrictions on disallowing me to do it. So if you have a technical issue, you must use your proper support channels. If something goes wrong, you have two primary options. Option A, TCC IT Help Desk. You call the TCC IT Help Desk at 918-595-2000 or call 2000. They can help with software installation, access problems, login and account issues, campus systems, and a lot of common technical problems. Option B, your device manufacturer or your personal nerd that helps you with your stuff. They'll do your driver's issues, your operating system problems, your hardware failures, and your device-specific issues. Those are the people with the tools and access to actually fix your issues. Now, a very important note for Apple Mac users, listen very closely. I do not work on Apple computers, and I do not have access to that environment for troubleshooting. And very importantly, Power BI is a desktop-based computer system, which means it's PC-based, not Mac. So Mac users will often run into compatibility issues with that required software. If you're using a Mac, you must have a plan to complete the course requirements, especially around Power BI assignments. Your practical solutions are use the TCC computer labs when they're needed. Work with your lab staff to ensure the software you need is available on the machines you plan to use. Make arrangements well before the deadlines. Do not wait until the night something is due to discover you can't run the software. That's not a surprise. That is extremely poor planning. Now, what to do when you have a tech problem? Allergies are acting up terribly. Confirm what the problem actually is. Before you panic, check the basics. Is your internet working? Can you open other websites? Is the software updated? Is your device restarted? Do you have enough storage space? A surprising number of issues are solved by restarting, updating, or switching networks. Step 2. Use the right support channel. Is the issue with Blackboard, Login, or Skull software? Call 2000. Is it your laptop, your internet, or your hardware? Device manufacturer or your local tech support. And step 3, use a backup plan if your device fails. If your personal device is down, your plan is computer labs on campus. Use a second computer if you have one or use any supported campus resource. This is why you don't leave everything until the last minute. You need time for your backup plan. And the policy, very clearly, technical issues do not excuse late work. Incomplete or late assignments due to technical issues will not be excused. That's not because I don't believe you. It's because it's not enforceable fairly across an entire class. So the expectation is if your tech fails, you use the backup plan that you created to meet the deadline expectation. And special note, major issue in online courses, submissions, you are responsible for what you upload. When you hit submit assignments in the LMS, Learning Management System, Blackboard, you're responsible for uploading the correct file, confirming the file opens, making sure the file is not corrupted, and making sure you submitted a final version, not a draft. The file you upload is the file that will get graded. If you upload the wrong file or a corrupted file, that result is a 0. So here's the habit I want you to build. After you upload, immediately reopen what you submitted. Confirm it is correct. Now, the prevention strategy is pretty straightforward because preventing strategies and preventing problems is easier than fixing them. Install your required software early. Test it before assignments are due. Make sure you save and upload files properly. Keep your work backed up, OneDrive, Google Drive, something external, whatever you use. Don't do major updates the night of a deadline if it can avoid it. And check the course site multiple times per week so you're never surprised. So, very simple summary of this video. I provide academic support, not device tech support. Use call 2000. Mac users must plan ahead for Windows-only software like the Power BI. Technical issues do not excuse late work, and you are responsible for uploading the correct working file. Handle your tech like a professional, and you'll avoid 90% of the stress students create for themselves in online and mixed hybrid courses. From here, move on to the next video and jump into your work. Bye, guys.